Evening, guys. How's everybody doing today on this Saturday? Hopefully, everybody is doing wonderfully blessed and had a great day. This is your boy Hamid G, and your boy's about to drop it like it's hot, baby, and break you guys off Doge and some overall crypto market developing and breaking news. Now, if you're new to my channel and that sounds good to you, maybe you can consider to like and subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and turn it on to all so you can be notified when I come through with developing and breaking news, or even leave a dislike. It's all good, or don't do nothing. I just appreciate you stopping by my channel and coming to check it out as a viewer. Remember, guys, none of this is ever financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions, nothing more, nothing less. So you guys ready to get it on this Saturday? Let's get it, bye baby. All right, guys, Bitcoin is at 64,797.46 cents. It's up 1.50% for the day. Not too bad, guys. Bitcoin is doing its thing. It's consolidating between 64,000 and 65,000, right? Nonetheless, it's holding its ground, right? And I think it's going to continue to push up. Hopefully, we're going to hit that 100K mark, like Plan B saying at the end of December, right? So, fingers crossed, baby. All right, the overall markets are in the green, as you can see, guys. We have more green than we do anything. Obviously, that's my favorite color. Why? Because that's the color of dinero, money. All right, guys, enough of the jokes. Let's go check out Dogecoin, the main superstar. All right, guys, we rank number 9 in coin market cap. We are up 2.26% for the day. We're sitting at 26 cents today, guys. 24-hour low was 25. 24-hour high was 26. Market cap 34.69 billion. And volume in the last 24 hours is extremely low. We're at $920.03 million. Man, we need more volume, guys. But nonetheless, it's the weekend. The volume is always low, and there's always more volatility when it comes to the weekend. All right, guys, enough of the stats. Let's dive into the charts real quick. This is obviously the daily chart. All right, guys, so not really much has changed. Right, so as you can see here, my pink line here, that is my support trend line that we've had. It's been acting as a support trend line for about 55 days now, right? Which is pretty bullish in my opinion. Why? Because we have not dipped any. We have wicked below it a couple times here and there, but nonetheless, we have not dipped below it, right? We continue to stay above this support trend line, right? Which is bullish. And not just that, we continue to make higher high, higher lows, like I've been showing you guys on this chart here, right? I'll show you right here, right? So the higher highs follow my green line, higher lows, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And hopefully this next higher high here, guys, we're going to break resistance. All right, and that's coming in at the 21-day moving average, which is at 27 cents. And support is coming in at 25 cents, which is the 50-day moving average. Okay, guys, so the key takeaway from this chart, I'll try to keep it pretty simple, short, and beginner friendly. So the bullish technicals that we got going on, we're still forming higher high, higher lows, right? Which is bullish. We continue to stay above the support trend line, which is bullish. But now on the flip side, now what we got going for us bearish technicals is we had flipped the trend, right? We had our resistance as support, right? That 21-day moving average was acting as support, but we dipped below it, right? And now we continue to struggle with this level resistance at the 21-day moving average. Therefore, that is a bearish technical, guys. So we do have some bullish and bearish technicals going on when it comes to the daily time frame on the charts. All right, guys. Now that's what I had for you guys as far as the charts go. Like I said, hopefully it was pretty beginner friendly and easy breezy. Now let's dive into some Doge news. Then we'll dive into some overall crypto market news if time permitting. All right, guys. Now this is out of Benzinga. Now it says Shibatoshi Nakamoto says Dogecoin is superior to Shiba Inu and Bitcoin, and Elon Musk agrees in a tweet. Now it says co-creator Billy Marcus, who goes by the username of Shibatoshi Nakamoto on Twitter, says Dogecoin's low fees make it ideal for all sorts of transactions, making it superior to compete meme coins, right? Because we had our upgrade, right, on Dogecoin, which makes it basically fractions of pennies now to trade Doge, right? And then right here on his tweet, right, he shows, right, and it says for Dogecoin, it costs fractions of a penny, right? For Bitcoin to send $1, guys, it costs $3.50. And to send $1 worth of Shiba Inu, guys, it costs you $54. That's insane. That is super insane now, guys. Now it says in response to Marcus's tweet, Elon Musk supported the post and liked it. Musk has been a great supporter of Dogecoin and even owns a dog of the breed Shiba Inu named Floki. Last week, Dogecoin Core 1.14.5 was released, featuring important security updates and changes to the network's policies, including reducing the uh, recommended fees. Elon Musk took to Twitter to express his opinion shortly after the release. Also, late last week, there were rumors in the market that Tesla may begin accepting Shiba Inu as a payment option. Musk has neither confirmed nor denied. Earlier this year, Musk tweeted about Dogecoin and said it was super important for Doge fees to drop to make it viable to buy things like movie tickets, right, guys? And now I think it's down to like 0.002, right? Basically, like freaking two. I don't even know how to break that down mathematically, guys. Sorry about that. But basically, that's what it is. It's like 0.00002 to do transactions. Now, actually, I think I have it on another article here, guys, that I was going to read to you guys. Yeah, right here. All right, let's dive into this one right here. And it gives basically it'll give us the accurate number on what it costs to do a transaction with Doge. Sorry, I should have been more better. Now goes right here. Yeah. See, now it says earlier this week, as reported by you today, Dogecoin implemented a hotly anticipated software update to dramatically reduce the cost of transactions on the network to just 0.01, roughly 0.00, basically 2 cents per kilobyte, guys. 2 freaking cents, right, per kilobyte, right? Now it says because of the recent performance improved, it is much cheaper to send Dogecoin than Bitcoin and Ethereum-based Shiba Inu, right, guys? And I gave you guys the breakdown, money-wise on what it was, right? That's insane. Now let's get into this article right here. Now it says Dogecoin holder and rapper Meek Mill wants his record deals paid in Bitcoin. Right, and I just wanted to briefly share and just now is this a positive catalyst? No, but nonetheless, you know what I mean? It just talks about the rapper Meek Mill who, wants to get paid in Bitcoin, but nonetheless, he is a supporter of Doge, right? Because he owns Doge. He bought $50,000 worth of Doge, right? He had posted it, right? It says the superstar rap posted a screenshot of a 50K order for Dogecoin and wrote, "I just grabbed some Doge. I'm tired of missing out," right? So he obviously is part of the Doge army, right? That's why I briefly wanted to just touch on that. All right, guys. Now that's what I had as far as Dogecoin news goes. Now let's dive into some overall crypto market news. Now it says Shark Tank's O'Leary has 10% exposure to crypto, right? Now it says billionaire entrepreneur Kevin O'Leary, for those of you who don't know, he's from that TV show Shark Tank, right? Not just that, he's a billionaire, guys. So he's a very rich man. Not just that, he used to be a naysayer, right? Now it goes on to say Kevin O'Leary used to be a big crypto naysayer in the past, right? Just last year, right? He just flipped, guys, about a year ago. It says, however, he has come to realize the massive opportunity. Keyword, massive opportunity, guys. Plenty of money to be made. I keep telling you guys. Offered by cryptocurrencies, and has therefore decided to buy crypto and crypto-oriented businesses and to increase his holdings. He said during the Reddit talk session that he had started the year with around 3% of his portfolio dedicated to crypto and that his target was to get to 7 by the end of the year. However, partly due to the large price appreciation, basically profits is what that is saying, of some of his crypto assets, the part of his portfolio has now increased to 10%. And he goes on, right, guys? This is huge. Why? Because, guys, he obviously sees that there's plenty of money to be made. That's why the billionaire allocated 10% of his net worth into crypto. Why? Because there is massive money to be made. Dude's a billionaire, but he wants to make more money and more money, right? Like most billionaires and millionaires do, right? They're freaking greedy. But hey, I want my piece of the pie too, guys. That's why I made this channel, to keep you guys informed with developing and breaking news. Why? So you don't have to go out. I mean, it's always good to do your own research, guys, but if you come to this channel, right, then you get broken off a lot of developing and breaking news, and then therefore you don't have to do as much as research. Why? Because you can come to my channel and I do it for you. Why? Because I love to do it, man. All I ever ask in return is possibly hit the likes, maybe leave a comment, and become a subscriber if you're not. If not, don't do nothing. It's all good in the hood, baby. All right, guys. Now let's get into where's this other article I wanted to get into here? Oh, right here, guys. Now this is out of FX, right? Now it says Dogecoin to skyrocket to $1 as SpaceX confirms Doge 1 mission to the moon. Now this analyst, right? out of FX, right? He says Dogecoin price continues to frustrate buyers, right? We'll keep it real. It is frustrating, guys. You know what I mean? Because Dogecoin hasn't really done much, right, guys? But you got to be patient. Why? Because when Dogecoin breaks out and does its thing, baby, you better put your space suit on because we're going to the moon. And we're going there literally and figuratively. Dogecoin is quite literally going to the moon. Dogecoin is now positioned for aggressive and conservative entry opportunities. Now you can check this article out, right, guys? I'm not gonna dive into it. If it's a pretty good article, you want to check it out. It's in FX Streets, right? And they talk about on breaking down on why they think it's gonna make it to $1, right? The analyst breaks it down. Right, I don't think we're gonna make it to by the end of this year, but nonetheless, guys, I truly believe that we will make it there a lot sooner than people think. All right, guys. Now let's dive into this article here. Thank you if you're still with me, guys. I know I can be kind of long. I got about 2 more minutes left, guys. All right. Let me. Where we at? Where we at? Okay. Of course, my thing always messes up on me. Always. Okay, right here. Now it says 4 in 5 Americans have heard of crypto. Pew Research says, right? Now it goes on to say in a survey of more than 10,000 Americans randomly selected by residential addresses, the Pew Research Center has revealed that crypto awareness is growing. The survey showed that over 4/5, which is 86% of those surveyed, right? So out of 10,000, 86% of them have heard at least a little bit about cryptocurrency. In a similar survey conducted in 2015, which focused exclusively on just Bitcoin, not the overall crypto, just Bitcoin, just 48% of surveys had heard of the leading cryptocurrency. Only 16%, however, reported ever having invested in traded or otherwise used cryptocurrencies, according to Pew. Additionally, little more than 10% of the most recent sample size has heard nothing at all about cryptocurrencies. Now, this is huge, guys. Why? But then it goes, this, for example, there are far more Americans between the age of 18 and 29 who are invested in crypto than those in older age groups. Additionally, men are twice as likely as women to have ever invested in cryptocurrencies. It would also appear that Americans with a higher income are much more likely to have heard a lot about cryptocurrencies than those with either middle or lower incomes. Now, I believe that is, in my opinion, guys, obviously, right? Because the more money you have, the more money you have to waste, right? Or you know what I mean? Not waste, rather, but I mean money to possibly spend and lose and never get it back, right? Because they always say never invest what you're not willing to lose, whether it's in crypto or the stock market, right? And that's why I believe people that, have higher income are more likely to invest in crypto, like they're saying here in this article. Not just that, guys, but just think about that. There's only out of 10,000, 86% have now heard of it now in 2021. Back in 2015, right, it was out of 10,000, it was only 48%, right? So there's a big from 48 to 86%, right, in the last in the last 6 years, which is pretty good. Only 16% have invested, guys, but just think about that. If we can get from 16% to 40 or 50%, right? That'd be huge for the overall crypto markets and Dogecoin, you know what I mean? So, all right, guys, I got one more article. Let me close out with this article here, guys. Now, it says every large bank will actively consider crypto in 1 to 3 years, says former Citi CEO. Now, he goes on to say a growing number of major banks are getting involved in crypto, including Australia's Commonwealth Bank, Thailand's Siam Commercial Bank, U.S. Bank, and Singapore's DBS. Major investment banks have also begun offering crypto investments to their clients, including JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, and Goldman Sachs. In addition, payment giants including Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal also have several crypto projects ongoing. Now, guys, this is basically all the main banks and credit card entities here in the United States of America. Now, this is huge, right? Goes to show you, man, that if you can't beat them, join them. Guys, crypto ain't going nowhere. Digital currency is not going nowhere. This is the beginning stages, like how the internet was, right, guys? I keep telling you guys this over and over. Why? Because I want you guys to become crypto millionaires like me, baby. Because I'm thinking positive, and I will become a crypto millionaire, man, in 5 to 10 years from now. Hopefully sooner, but I'll say in 10 years or less, man. I hope to have at least 1 million made out of crypto, man. But anyways, you guys stay safe and stay blessed out there, guys. This is your boy Jaime G. Until tomorrow, stay safe and stay blessed. Like I said, guys, peace out.